US dollar. This is a massive day today, traders. This is FOMC day, and it's not just any other FOMC day. This is significant because we have a new governor, Kevin Warsh, taking seat in very much unprecedented times of war, super high in multi-year inflation. He has a task on his hands. Now, if we look to see where dollar's at right now, we're still sitting at where we could be validated as this potential new higher low. A very key area of liquidity, regardless, around 99, 50, and 40. And you see where we've been drawn back into again. Remember this massive gap to the downside that we had on the ceasefire? That's where we're at right now. We're magnetized there. It's huge. And obviously, we had the breakout, and now we got the retest. And the dollar balls, in order for this to continue to the upside, it has to hold. And then we're going to be drawn back up into that next major area of liquidity, which will be 150. Very, very significant that we keep an eye on this. Now, how this goes is going to be very much dependent on what happens today with the FOMC decision. The actual decision itself is not the market mover. The market mover will be the economic projections and then the statement. If these guys are seeing the economy still moving quite nicely in terms of growth, the labor market, which the labor market is still good, to be honest, and Warsh is hawkish on inflation, still see inflation too high. All of this is going to largely shift rate hike pricing. When you look at the CME Group Fed Watch tool, you want to be keeping an eye on how these pricing possibilities are, where they go. The hike probabilities jumping up, especially towards the back end of this year from Q4 onwards, is where you want to see the potential pricing change, which would be supportive of the dollar. Obviously, if then not so hawkish, dollar's going to break through this key area of liquidity and we're going to drop, and probably be drawn into the next major area, which would be down at 98. So safe trading today, traders. In terms of full ongoing analysis, trade ideas, all that good stuff, you can check the link in its description or somewhere in this article. Catch you on the next one.